Hi everyone, you're welcome. Pardon my voice, I have cold, so that's why my voice is like this. I'm going to show you a short video of how I prepare this delicious spicy chicken pepper soup. Please help me to share the video, watch and comment. Thank you as you do so. I've already washed and cleaned the chicken. In my pot I added salt and some seasoning. After that I'm going to stir and then cover to let cook. As we all know, chicken is very healthy, so I recommend chicken pepper soup or chicken for anything. I have the already grinded pepper soup spices, and I also have mine that I'm going to grind myself. Okay, like me, I prefer to use the one that they have not grinded. I like to grind it myself because I don't know what they mix in it and all that. As you can see, the difference is clear. The ones that I grinded myself is more finer. So I added my crayfish, pepper mix, pepper soup spices. I added water so that the meat will cook properly. I'm going to stir and cover to let cook. Before I cover, I tasted for salt. It was not enough. I added some seasoning again as well and a little more water. Stir again and thereafter cover to let cook. I really enjoyed this chicken pepper soup. You can eat it like that or with rice or yam or starch, fufu, anyone you want is okay. And as you can see, my pepper soup is ready. I really love it. That's how I prepared it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.